Email is a very commodity business. There's lots of competition in the marketplace to send out emails, and they do it for a lot cheaper. How does DMD differentiate ourselves from our competitors? Well, it's on the quality of our data and the service that we provide to our clients.
DMD is a data company. Our primary mission is simply to provide the highest quality data to our clients in the healthcare industries. Client base includes medical device companies, hospitals, big pharma, GSK, and AbbVie. And I think they need that data. They use that data to target audiences for email deployment activities.
We started off with building up a database of the healthcare practitioners within the United States. It started off with just doctors and expanded to include nurses, nurse practitioners, pharmacists, dentists.
DMD covers roughly 6 million HCPs or healthcare practitioners. About 3 million email addresses are contained in our database, and that is sold or represented by 30,000 marketing campaigns that we've deployed for our clients.
The data was split up and not really put together. So we embarked on looking at revamping our architecture. We were going cloud first to minimize the amount of hardware and infrastructure that we had to manage. Talend Cloud was an obvious choice. It has a lot of the connectors to get into all the standard AWS services.
And again, any data that we deliver back to clients needs to be the best data possible that we can deliver. And I think Data Prep helps us to do that.
So being able to enable our internal users and to a certain extent our clients to be able to get in and see that data on their own without having to have any advanced technical skills is really what's important to us. And adding on to that, having the users that really understand the data, being able to go in, see the data, and interact with it can help improve the quality of the data that we then provide to our clients.
I expect about a 20% increase in revenue growth. While that's not all, Talend brought us 20% revenue growth, what Talend does afford us is the ability to automate and scale with the growth of the business. Every dollar that DMD pulls in is predicated on how many physicians or healthcare practitioners overall that we can match. So every match record equals revenue in our pockets. So we think with the Talend tool, we'll be able to increase those revenue potentials. On increasing insight to the client base, it's important that they know that they are targeting the proper individuals. So having clean data is very important for our business.